Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn this regular photo into a stunning poster style image using ChatGPT. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that you don't miss exact prompt that gives the best result. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Chrome or any other browser of your choice. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and click on the first link that appears. That should take you to OpenAI's ChatGPT site. You will need to log in. You can use either your phone number, Gmail account, or your Microsoft account, or even your Apple ID. Once you are in, look for the plus icon or the paperclip near the message box. That's how you attach files. Click it and upload the photo you want to transform. Now comes the magic. Copy the exact prompt I've linked in the video description. Paste it into the chat and be sure to replace your name with your own name. Hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing. It usually takes a few minutes. Mine took about 5 minutes for me to finish the processing of the image. Once the image appears, click on it. Then click the download button to save it to your device. And that's it. You have got a high impact poster style version of your photo. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, drop a comment with your result, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and tech related videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.